The Congress may still insist that Robert Vadra is a private entity, a private citizen whose business dealings do not concern the country. But the Gandhi son-in-law is still set to cast a shadow on the seat of Indian democracy yet again. Well, with the BJP adamant on a special investigation team to probe his land deals, it remains to be seen whether any business will be transacted on the last working day this week of the monsoon session of Parliament. In an all-party meeting that was conducted by the Speaker yesterday, the government and the opposition were able to evolve some consensus on the food bill and amendments in the RTI Act. But differences are yet to narrow down on Robert Vadra.
कौन है वाड्रा जी? वाड्रा जी एक बिजनेसमैन है, अपना काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप उनके बारे में क्यों जिक्र करना है? ना पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर है, ना मंत्री है, ना राज्य सरकार की मेंबर है, तो आप किस बात पे इनको लेके यहाँ आ रहे हैं?
जहाँ जहाँ कांग्रेस शासित राज्य हैं, वहाँ पर श्री रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने भयंकर भूमि घोटाला किया है, और वह भी सरकारों, राज्य सरकारों की मदद से।
However, the Congress seems to have got some breathing space, with both the Samajwadi Party and the BSP seemingly dealing Vadra's business controversies with the UPA leadership.
हमारी राय थी वो सफदरी बैठक में ये भी कह चुके हमारी पार्टी चली गई।
सर हम लोगों को भी बता दीजिए सर।
आपको बताएंगे जब मौका आएगा तब।
वाड्रा का जो मामला है, तो अब उसमें यदि मैं कोई किसी का फेवर नहीं कर रही, उसके लिए यदि श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी को जिम्मेवार ठहराया जाए, इससे हमारी पार्टी बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं है। काम कोई गलत कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति करे, सजा वो उनके रिश्ते नातों को मिले, तो ये ठीक नहीं है। जो गलत काम करता है उसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
Meanwhile, it's a key day for the Gandhi son-in-law as well as the Allahabad High Court, which will hear the PIL filed by Lucknow-based social activist. The petitioner has asked the High Court to inquire into the allegations made against Vadra. Now, as per this petition, Thakur sent a representation to the PMO on 9th of October asking for an inquiry into the matter, but was not given any response. She then filed a fresh representation in March this year to the Law Ministry for appropriate action. Despite her attempts, there remained no action taken by either the Law Ministry or the PMO.